busy here with another new machine. Roborock has been releasing new products at an incredible pace. Recently launched models in the Qrevo series include the Qrevo Pro, Qrevo Master, Qrevo Slim, making me wonder if I need a magnifying glass to see the differences. However, my concerns were put to rest the moment I unboxed the new machine. Here is the dust collection station, featuring smooth edges and a more refined look. This is the main body of the vacuum, along with the accessories such as mop module, power cord, disposable dust bag, and cleaning solution. At the top of the robot is a laser reader system, and sensors are located on the sides. Open the top cover, and here is the dustpan. The filter on the dustpan is removable, washable, and replaceable. Nothing groundbreaking here. So let's focus on the bottom configuration. These particular models have made significant advancements in resolving hair entanglement issues. The main brush consists of two parallel rulers, combining rubber and bristles, with widened blades to enhance debris pickup. During operation, care is directed toward the central dustbin inlet, avoiding entanglement in the brush. The outside brush, with its unique design of two covered edges, aids in building hair to its bristles end, while the powerful 18,500 particle suctions pulls it into the dustbin without tangling. For corner cleaning, it continues to use extendable dual mechanical arms, efficiently addressing edge and corner areas. Whether the dual brush design of the curve means its total cleaning effectiveness remains to be seen with further testing. The second innovation lies in the industry-first adaptive chassis. Featuring independently adjustable 3-wheel control, each wheel can elevate individually, lifting the chassis up to 10 mm, facilitating the cleaning of medium to long tail carpets and cross threshers. Officially, it can surmount double-layer threshers up to 4 cm. It navigates 3 cm threshers smoothly, but encounters more frequent issues with higher obstacles. Other highlights I particularly appreciate include the small brush added next to the omnidirectional wheel for continually wheel cleaning, and the mop cleaning water temperature reaching up to 75 degrees Celsius, effectively removing stubborn stains. The self-cleaning base station features a cleaning tray that automatically cleans the mop and tray, eliminating the need for manual maintenance. A dust bag slot comes pre-installed with one. Here are the clean and dirty water tanks. Unlike the Roborock F series, it lacks an auto-cleaning solution refill function, but with few features, it comes at a lower price. Comparing the Roborock Qrevo Curv to another Q series model, the Qrevo Edge, their specs are virtually identical, with the only difference being the base station. The Qrevo Edge appears to have a larger base station, possibly with bigger water tank and dust box. The Qrevo Slim differs more significantly from the Curv. If you prefer a dual brush design and a thinner body, the Slim is an option, though its suction power is only 11,000 pascals. That concludes our introduction to the new Roborock Qrevo Curv. For more information on vacuum, robotic vacuum cleaners, and related accessories, feel free to like and follow us. See you next time.